everyone, my name is Devang. Today I'm going to talk about one of the experiments that I've been working on. The primary goal of the experiment is to optimize the shape and the form of the building based on an external environmental parameter, which in this case is incident solar radiation on building surface. Initially, the building was a rectangular cube. With the help of Grasshopper, it was divided in 4 parts, as you can see. Once we do that, we get control points at 5 levels. The control points of first 4 levels the points for these first 4 levels were modified. The location of the control points was changed. The points were moved in x and y direction, and that gives us this zigzag form. As you can see, the building achieves this zigzag profile. Now here in Grasshopper, we have this VB script that gathers information from all the surfaces. So if a change is made in any of the parameter of any surface, that will be registered with the help of this VB script. The primary function of this VB script is to gather this information, the information regarding any change in the parameter of any surface, and place that information into the IDF file, that is the energy plus file for this building. Initially, an IDF file was developed for a rectangular cubical building before we divided it. So in that IDF file, we have place for geometry information. At that place, the information gathered by this VB script will be placed. Now the task of placing the information from this VB script to IDF file will be done using MATLAB. We are using MATLAB as a coding platform here. This is the script that has been written to perform this experiment. Here we have one objective value. This objective value says that the incident solar radiation on building surface should be less than 75 watt per meter square. So the building's form will be optimized until we have a form that has incident solar radiation on it that is less than 75 watt per meter square. We will see how this process goes on. First of all, we will call the script file. Now as you can see, MATLAB is running the script and Energy Plus is calculating the incident solar radiation on building. Here in Rhino environment, you will see change in the form of the building, and any change that happens in the form will be baked here as offsprings. So we already have our first offspring. Whatever change happened during the calculation in this form, it was recorded here and it was baked as a building's form. Energy plus is furthermore calculating, and as you can see now the form of the building is straighter than it was before. So now we have the second offspring of this first generation, which represents the last change that was made in the building's form. Likewise, we will have many offsprings in the first generation. This process also goes into another generation. So this will be first, we will have a second row here, that will be second generation, third generation, and so on. The objective, that is to reduce incident solar radiation on Windows surface, that will be achieved in final generation. In final generation, we will have one of the offspring which will be a form of this building that will reduce the incident solar radiation on its surface, and that will be less than 75 watt per meter square. As you can see, we have the third offspring of this first generation. To reach this process to its last generation, it takes about 25 minutes. So I will stop this process here, but this is how it works. Thank you for watching this video.